Welcome to TechnoInfoEd. Today we are solving one of the most commonly asked probability question. If a fair coin is tossed 7 times, find the probability of getting head. So a fair or unbiased coin has two outcomes, that is head or tail. The coin is tossed 7 times. And we are asked to find out the probability of getting head. But here is the catch, the question is incomplete. We must specify how many heads. So let's assume it's asking find the probability of exactly one head. So we are going to apply binomial formula here. Our formula is P of x is equals to R is equal to NCR into P raised to R into Q raised to N minus R. Where N is equal to 7, R is equal to 1, P is equal to 0.5 because it is an unbiased coin, and Q is equal to also 0.5. Now plug the values. So our equation becomes P x is equal to 1 equal to 7C1 0.5 raised to 1 into 0.5 raised to 7 minus 1 equal to 7 factorial upon 1 factorial into 7 minus 1 factorial, the whole into 0.5 raised to 1 into 0.5 raised to 6, which is equal to 7 factorial upon 6 factorial into 0.5 raised to 7, which is equal to 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This will get cut with each other into 0.5 raised to 7. It's equal to 7 into 5 by 10 raised to 7. Seven into this will be 1 by 2 raised to 7 is equal to 7 upon 128. So the answer is 0.0547. So the probability of getting exactly one head in 7 tosses is 0.0547. This is our final answer.